You've had a few on-site production sales.
Yes.
What number sale is this?
I think we've had about 7 or 8 so far, and we've just been very fortunate with the weather today, and it's been a good crowd again, well supported by Wales again. Yeah, good supporters they are.
Darwin Hughes, a dwi'n dod o Langwm, Gogledd Cymru.
A chi wedi dod yn bell, heddi?
Do, swn i'n lle'n bell iddyn nhw, oes? Just lawr y ffordd.
A faint o amser cymryd e chi?
Cochwyn 5, mae chydig wedi 9 a stopio am brecwast.
A chi'n meddwl bod e'n werth dod yn amlwg achos y stoc da?
Mae werthig da yma. Gwni weld pan fydd y sale yn cochwyn fydd o werth i mi ddod yma.
Bydd rhywbeth yn mynd nôl i Langwm de?
Ffarmwr slawd ydw i o Gogledd Cymru, gwni weld.
Wel, Ale, dyn sy'n mynd hals i chi fel arfer, beth ych chi'n neud mae addi den?
Mae'n nes i gael bach o change. Wedi dod i cadw llygad ar y rai o boes mar fi, fi'n neud siŵr bod ddim yn hala gormod o arian.
Chi'n meddwl bod e'n bwysig i gael arwerthiannau ar fferm?
Mae fe'n nes i weld sŵn mae pobl arall yn neud pethau, pan ych chi'n dod i ffarm fel hyn, chi'n gweld y set-up o pethau sŵn maen nhw'n cael ei wneud.
5,000 9 bid at 5, 5, 6 bid, 6 9 bid at 6, 7, 8, 8 bid 10, 10 9 bid 12, 12 bid, 12 9 bid 14, 14, 16, 18, 18, 2 20, 20 bid, 20, what did you want now, Mom? At 20 9 bid at 20, my bid's down there, at 20, 20,000 only, at 20 9 bid at 20, at 20,000 9 bid at 21's anywhere, is it? 1, 21, 21, 21, 22, 22, at 22 I'm bid at 22 bid, gone and done then. I saw Lennon, alright. Take it steady, he says, at 22 I'm bid at 22 bid, at 22,000, gone and done the then, or call it like this. What about your man? Hey, he's painted. At 22, I bid at 22. Done the red, come in. Say away and done there, 22. Peter Smith, he's got a very good old box and he goes to. Try again. Have another look. Look at that. Just look at that. At 7 9 bid. If you're going to buy one, buy a good one. At 7 9 bid at 7 bid. Out in there, I saw and done there and gone then. All of the other way and gone done there then. Saying that away at 7,000. Get it? Yeah, it's you. It's you. Not you, James. That's 7,000. Get it?
How did the day go for you?
It's gone very well. We're very pleased with the sales. A lot of buyers from right away from over in Scotland into the south of England, and odd ones did come out of Wales, but not many. But, yeah, it's gone well, and yeah, everything's total clearance, everything's sold, so can't complain about that.
And a few good prices?
Yeah, well, we've got the Royal Show Champion at 22,000. There's a calf there about what? Is it about 7,000? And then you look at your even embryos at 1,350 guineas each.
And do you think it's important to hold on-farm production sales?
Yeah, I think there's some on-farm sales which do a job and are good. It gives, you know, Mr. Mash wants to promote animals in the south of England, and it's a great way to promote them.
Wel, fi wedi ffindo pobl yn agos iawn i gytre fan hyn. Pwy i chi den?
Gareth Lee o just Dyfas Gwarddyn.
Reit.
Rolls Gydweli.
Ie. A stach chi Limousins i chi'n gytre?
Dechrau cadw limos, ni wedi gwneud September llynedd.
A chi wedi dod yn bell heddi i weld talent ma?
Do, dethon ni i dysgu mwy ar y byd. O'n i moyn gweld beth safon i ni moyn siarad cyrraedd.
Faint o lims da chi ar hyn o bryd?
Nawr mae just dros 10 dyn ni. So, bydd ni September a lan yn cael ail Red Ladies Day just cyn y rolig.
Chi'n keen den?
Dechrau off ni'n neud, so I'm in so wach.
Well, the only lady bidder today, I think. What's your name and where do you come from?
Amanda Haig, from near Newark in Nottinghamshire.
And you came today to see the stock, were you pleased?
Yeah, it's lovely, yeah. We came about 7 years ago and bought a bull and he's been fantastic, so we thought we'd come because we're ready for another one.
Brilliant, and what did you end up buying?
We bought a yearling bull, we're going to grow him on and start using him next year.
Fi'n credu bod wedi cael arwerthiant da iawn o gwir. Mae lot o limbs yma beth lle nawr o bethau. Mae da I feddwl bod ddim rhyw growd ofnadw. Fi'n credu bod wedi cael sale da.
Well, Mr. Halls, you're one man that's brought a couple of bulls today and a few more, I think, as well.
I bought 9.
And what do you intend on doing with these 9?
We'll keep some for breeding, and then we'll see if anything's not up to the mark. We will fatten them, but we'll keep some for breeding.
And where are you from?
I'm in Essex.
Oh,
I normally buy a lot of cows and calves here and the older bulls, but I didn't want any older bulls today. And the cows and calves were an unbelievable trade. He's had a wonderful trade, but they're wonderful quality stock. Some of the best stock I've seen for a long, long while.
We've had a very, very good sale. Yeah, especially the embryo calves. We were very pleased, and obviously the star of the show. I wanted 20,000 for her, and we got 22 for Crocus Batik, and she's a lovely animal, and I think she's going to go a good home. So I'm well pleased.